open house. Emphasis on open. Anthony Lamacchia here with Crush It in Real Estate. Why? Why, listing agents? Why are more and more of you suddenly putting in MLS that you have an open house, but if an agent wants to send a buyer, they must attend with their buyer? Open house. So a regular buyer walking down the street, a regular buyer that sees it online can come to your open house. But someone who is working with a realtor can't come unless they bring their realtor. Realtor can't send the buyer unless they go with the buyer. What? Folks, I talked about this at the Crush It in Real Estate event a month ago. I talked about it in a follow-up email. Not this topic specifically, but what did I talk to you about? I talked to you about us working together, accommodating one another, increasing the amount of times that people can get in to see properties, not making very small windows and requiring buyers and agents to show properties in an hour when you know there's over 100 people interested. And several of you gave me shout outs and several of you commented, and I heard from many of you saying, hey, you had an impact. This RE/MAX agent, that Coldwell Banker agent, that Keller Williams agent, that Lamacchia agent, they did more, and they mentioned, Anthony, it was because of your video. So glad to hear it, but here's my new message. Don't restrict with open houses. Don't force agents to come with their buyers. That is not nice. Most of you that are doing it, not all, but most, you started in the business in the last 5 years. Watch your step, my friends. Be careful, because there's going to come a day that you're going to wish you had a buyer at your open house. You don't care if they bring an agent or not, because you just want buyers at your open house. If you joined in the last 5 years, you got in the business in the last 5 years, you've been fooled into thinking that it's always like this, always a frenzy, always multiple offers. You've also been fooled into thinking that everything you touch turns to sold. Give it time. Capitalism never fails. There's some adjustments going on in the market now. At some point in the next few years, things are going to change. Be accommodating to as many fellow realtors as you can. Be accommodating to as many fellow buyers as you can. You want these people to look at you like someone that's a professional, someone that's accommodating, someone that's being helpful. You act that way, it'll come back to you, you do more business. If you don't act that way, it will come back to you and it will hurt you. I'm telling you, good luck, happy home selling.